Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at and installing the OPR charcoal door panel insert for 1999 to 2004 Coupe Mustangs. You're going to want to be checking this out if you're looking for a replacement door panel insert that looks like factory but that doesn't come with the factory price tag. This is currently one of the least expensive options on the website. It costs just over $40. It's a direct replacement for your factory door panel insert. It's made of plastic and has a grainy texture. This one is charcoal, but they're also sold in tan, and they are sold separately. Of course, this is going to be the left side. This fits all 1999 to 2004 Coupe Mustangs that have power windows and power door locks. It's very easy to get installed. I'll call it a 1 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter, and we'll show you how to get it on your car now. Alright guys, to get your door panel insert out, it's really not complicated. It's held in by 2 clips. There's one clip up here, so we're just going to go ahead and pull on our door panel insert. The clip will release, and there's another clip down here. Of course, we do have our controls on the back side as well. We will disconnect that electrical connection right here. Alright, so we'll use a flathead screwdriver to disconnect our electrical connection here. And then we'll need a Phillips head to remove our control panel for the windows. Alright, then we'll be able to remove our controls from our insert. Okay guys, so here we have our new replacement insert, and what we have to do now is transfer over our mirror controls. It's actually just held in by a clip. So we're going to press this clip. There are 2 clips that you have to press, one here and one on the top side. So we're going to push the 2 clips in and press down on this at the same time. And then we'll take our new insert and we'll just press our mirror control back into place. Now we're going to get the window controls back into place. So we'll just slide them in to their little housing. And then we'll use our stock hardware to hold them in place. Alright, so one last thing we have to do is grab the metal clip off of our stock insert. I'm just going to use a flathead screwdriver to help me pry this off. Alright, now we'll put this on our new door panel insert. And we are ready to clip it into place. Alright guys, so at this point we're ready to clip our new door panel insert in place. And I will say that we are installing a charcoal one. It does match the two-tone of the dash, but if you guys didn't want to have a charcoal door panel insert, this is also sold in tan as well. There's a little trick to get this installed in the correct way and have it look good. You guys need to tilt your insert forward, line up the clip on the back side here, and make sure all of your harnesses are actually tucked down inside the door panel, or else this won't seat correctly. Your clip up top is going to be the last thing that you push into place. All right, now we're going to push this back clip into place, followed by the top clip up here. All right guys, that's going to wrap up this review and install. Keep in mind that you can always check this out more online right here at AmericanMuscle.com.